everyone, this is Maggie. Quality is our top priority. Today, I'd like to share how we carry out 4 inspections of finished goods before shipment. Let's go through it step by step. Part 1. Appearance inspection. Check items include cabinet flatness, slicing gap, and surface condition, screws. Ensure no scratches, dents, or repair marks on the finished cabinet. Part 2. Aging test. Aging test is the most important procedure of LED inspection. All LED modules go through 48 hours of continuous aging test. Once module aging finished, we do an extra 24 hours aging test on the whole complete screen. Part 3. Full function test. After aging, we run professional function test. We strictly adjust brightness, color temperature, and grayscale. Test the max and average power consumption, and fully verify the stability of the control system to ensure all parameters meet standard requirements. Part 4. Electrical safety test. Then we complete professional electric safety test with standard testing equipment. The grounding resistance is controlled within less than or equal to 0.1 ohm, and the isolation resistance reach greater than or equal to 100 mega-ohm, ensuring safety operation. Part 5. Accessories check and final packing. Once all tests pass, we unload the finished screens and conduct a full accessories check. We verify all supporting parts, including power cables, flat cables, receiving cards, screws, and installation tools. Finally, we apply professional moisture-proof packaging and firm wooden frame protection for safe delivery. Every LED screen goes through standard full inspection before shipment to guarantee stable quality and consistent performance. Got a project or technical question? Leave your comment below. Bye-bye!